this metaphor of being in the stream of water and following the flow instead of against the flow, right? You can against the, like, instead of upward, you go downward with the flow. And as the flow, like, you know, I imagine myself as a leaves, right, on the water going down. That's what I feel about flow of life. Yeah, you familiar with that? Going with the flow, not against the flow. It's like a leaves that is so gentle instead of having a resistance, right? Instead of being a rock, resist the current, you follow the current. Now, I want to bring this more forward. What if you are the water itself? You are the flow of life. Meaning that instead of being a leaves or deciding you're going to be a rock or a leaf going through the flow, you are the flow itself, right? Because the effortless and effortfulness is not outside. It's not like this problem that I have, or this is something I want to create, I have to finish it. The feeling of effortless and effortfulness is inside, it's in our experience. So imagine if you are the flow or the river itself, right? You decided if you want to put rocks there, or you want to linger a little bit as water, you want to linger a little bit in some corner because there are some stuff there, you want to linger. Or you can choose, no, I don't want to linger there, I want to move. And sometimes once in a while, you may want to linger in something. But you are the flow itself, and you decided how fast you want to flow or how slow you want to flow. Yeah. And again, in that way is how can you tolerate the speed, the different speed of it, right? Once in a while, you may have to linger a bit once in a while, but you knowing that you are the flow, it's like, no, it's not the outside that, you know, making my life difficult or not. It's me that decided how I want to flow. Oh, my intention of flowing, it's going to be joyful, it's going to be like, it's going to be fun or fast. It's like me deciding my experience of flowing into life through what I'm doing, through my relationship with others, through what my purpose and what I want to create in the world.